Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is the final day of July. We're two-thirds done with meteorological summer. It's the final weekend of 8 o'clock sunsets, and we are sponsored by Volante Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. Yeah, summer is quickly waning. I actually planted some seedlings in my office, which I'm starting some radicchio, some kale, some collards. I want to get those going because it is planting time, and it's a good time to plant. So some of the garden centers will bring out some of those fall crops over the next couple of weeks. So if you have an area of your garden, say you had peas in it and those are done, or maybe potatoes and those are done, or some lettuces from the spring, or even cauliflower and broccoli, prep that area because you can do some more planting. Nice day today. Temperatures will get near 80 degrees. Any of the fog burning off here this morning if you have low clouds and fog where you are. Overnight tonight, back down to the 60s, some comfortable weather. Tomorrow, mostly sunny skies. My pick of the weekend, temperatures in the mid-80s. Then as we head for Sunday, still a nice day. Let's go 79 to 84. A little cooler maybe for the outer Cape where it's in the 70s. Pan Mass Challenge, that takes place this weekend. In the morning for the riders, it'll be in the 60s. It'll quickly warm to the 70s by about 10 a.m. and then into the 80s thereafter. And with the asphalt that they're on, it gets a little warmer as well, that heat coming off the asphalt. But no chance of high humidity, no chance of big thunderstorms or any storms for that matter, even showers. No big wind. So the biggest thing will be they need to wear sunscreen, or you need to wear sunscreen if you are listening to this. And then next week, early next week, there could be a few showers. Have a great day, everybody.